How to remove lipstick from upholstery. If the lipstick is still wet, take a clean cloth and apply toothpaste directly onto it, carefully blotting the area. If the lipstick has already dried, you can use a plastic knife or spoon to scrape off any remaining lipstick residue. One last method would be to soak a cloth with enough ammonia to cover the lipstick stain and lightly scrub. To clean any ammonia residue off of the upholstery, wipe down the area with a clean, damp cloth soaked in water. Another way to remove lipstick from upholstery is to spray a bit of hairspray directly onto the upholstery. Let it soak into the upholstery for about 5 minutes. After the 5 minutes is up, carefully wipe down the upholstery with a dry, clean cloth. For more spot cleaning solutions, visit spotremoval.coit.com.